All right, today we're going to focus on partial products, which we call box method. All right, so we have 46 times 12. What we're going to do is draw a box. We have two digits. We have two digits. So that'd be 1, 2. All right, so you have 46 times 12. We can decompose 46 by 40 plus 6. We can decompose 12 by 10 plus 2. 40 plus 6 is going to give you 46. 10 plus 2 is going to give you 12. All right, so now we're going to take this box and multiply 40. So basically you're doing 10 times 40. The easiest thing I tell you to do is eliminate your zeros, okay? And then add them back. Eliminate your zeros. So actually you got 1 times 4. That gives you 4. Now how many zeros did you eliminate? 2. Add them back in. 1, 2. Now we're going to take 10 times 6. 10 times 6 equals 60. Now we're going to multiply the next digit. 2 times 40. 2 times 40. 80. Take that same digit, multiply by 6. 2 times 6. 12. Now these are what you call your partial products. We're going to add these partial products. You have 400 plus 60 plus 80 plus 12. It gives you 2, 14, 15, 552. All right, same thing, box method. $25 times 37. We can decompose 25 by 20 plus 5. 37, 30 plus 7. This first box will be 30 times 20. Eliminate your zeros. So really you got 3 times 2. 6. How many zeros you eliminated? 2. Now you have 30 times 5. That equals 150. Remember, eliminate your 0. You got 5 times 3. That equals 15. How many zeros you eliminated? 1. 150. Now, take your next digit, multiply by 20. 7 times 20. Eliminate your 0. 7 times 2. 14. Add your 0 back in. It's 140. 7 times 5. 7 times 5. 35. These are called your partial products. We're going to add them. Plus 150, plus 140, plus 35. All right, so we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9. Your answer will be 925. This is what you call partial products, aka the box method. All right, next we're going to try partial quotients. So we have 368 divided by 8. Okay? So this is a different type of division. I know how we grew up on long division parents, but this is what they're teaching now. Okay? So we have 8, and your 368 will go inside the box. Now, easiest thing to do is do a T-chart. What is a T-chart? It's more of like your multiplication chart. So I want multiples of 8. So it's 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 8 times 5 is 40. All right. Like I tell the students, all you need is 1 through 5, your multiples, okay? If you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you definitely know 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Why? Just add your 0. We already know 8 times 1 is 8. So what's 8 times 10? That'll be 8, add your 0, 80. 8 times 20, 160. 8 times 30, 240. 8 times 40, 320. 8 times 50, 400. All right. Now, I want to get as close to 368 without going over. Is there anything I can get close to 368 without going over? 400 is going to be too much, but I do have 320. 320, your partial quotient is 40. I'm going to write that on the outside. So now let's subtract. 8 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 0. I don't have anything that's 48 on my T-chart. But I do have 40. My partial quotient for 40 is 5. Let's subtract. 8 minus 0, 4 minus 4, 0. I do have 8. Minus 8. Partial quotient for 8 was 1. 8 minus 8, 0. So these are your partial quotients. Just add them up. Was 40 plus 5 plus 1. You should get 46. So 368 divided by 8 equals 46. All right, one more. I have 506 divided by 8. So I'm going to put 506 in the box, 8 outside the box. I still have my same T-chart. Okay. The closest I can get to 506 without going over is 400. The partial quotient for 400 is 50. 6 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 4, 106. Is there anything else I can use without going over? 160 is too much. Let's try 80. The partial quotient for 80 is 10. 6 minus 0, 6. I can't borrow from 0. So now that's 10 minus 8, 2. All these will be too much. 32 will be too much. What about 24? Yep. 24. My partial quotient is 3. So that would be 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now, hold on. 2 is less than 8. So that means I have a remainder. Because I cannot divide anymore. This is a remainder. Only if your number is less than what you're dividing by. Now, don't forget your partial quotients. So we have 50 plus 10 plus 3. So that's 50 plus 10, 60, 63. So your answer, 506 divided by 8 equals 63 with a remainder of 2. That is your answer. Thank you for watching.